There we go. Wow, look, Chris and Risha are on a boat. They're on a boat.
He's going in the water. He's in the water.
I think that has freaked him out a little bit. Oh, he's getting back in.
Oh, he must have swum over to the boat. Oh, Mommy's in the boat. I'll warn you.
The camera puts on 20 pounds.
It makes you look 200 pounds on that camera. Just a warning.
Hey, everybody, look at Mommy.
I
Malaki.
should want to look at myself. Like,
Malaki.
you gotta get those paddles going. You're not moving.
Maggie Moo Moo. Maggie Moo. Hello, Maggie Moo. Hello, Maggie Moo. Hello, Maggie Moo. Hi. Hi.